Munster. All these have something in common. They're all from Scotland. I just speak to you a bit about this country, which is part of the United Kingdom. Scotland shares a southern border with England and is otherwise surrounded by water, and its capital is Edinburgh. With its beautiful scenery, somewhat difficult weather, and friendly, unique people, Scotland can be a very nice place to visit. Scotland consists of towering mountains and historical castles. The Scottish Highlands are in the western portion of the nation. The Munros are Scotland's highest mountains with heights over 3,000 feet. Ben Nevis is part of the Munros and is Britain's highest point, and there are 283 of them. There are more than 250 castles in Scotland. Edinburgh Castle is the country's most important and most famous castle. It is a castle that's been standing there since the 11th century, and it holds the crown jewels, the honors of Scotland, and the Stone of Destiny. It's located on a cliff, and there are also many ruined castles, such as Dunnottar Castle. That one's located on a cliff overlooking the ocean, and it is believed to have been standing there since Pictish times, which date all the way back to 5000 BC. However, the exact date is unknown. In the 14th century, the castle is home to a very important Scottish family. Many castles in Scotland are also haunted, such as the Fyvie Castle, which was once the hunting lodge of Robert the Bruce. It is said to be haunted by a green lady, a grey lady, and the sound of trumpet music. Scotland has a cool, temperate climate. The nation's temperature ranges from 41 degrees Fahrenheit in February and January, and 66 Fahrenheit in the warmest months of July and August. The nation only receives approximately 15 to 20 days of snow. In the highlands, though, the snow falls for an average of 150 days. The average rainfall per year in Scotland is 3,000 millimeters in the highlands and 800 millimeters on the east coast. The wettest part of Scotland gets 250 days of rain, while the drier parts only get 150 days. However, the amount of rain Scotland experiences contributes to its lush, verdant fields. Finally, the Scots are a distinct people in the northern region of the UK. Although Scotland began as a Gaelic-speaking nation, it has gradually become English-speaking. In addition, Scotsmen like to keep their traditionals and long-established festivals alive. For example, held on the 25th of January, Burns Night is a very traditional dinner and dance. Celebrating the life of Robert Burns, a famous poet, the festival's menu consists of haggis, neeps, and tatties, otherwise known as turnips and mashed potatoes. In addition, after the dinner, a ceilidh dance will begin, which is a Scottish country dance. Bear in mind that by this time, Scotsmen will have consumed a good amount of Scottish whiskey. The poet's birthday celebration is brought to a close with the singing of Auld Lang Syne. Therefore, Scotland can be a very unique place to visit. It contains marvelous mountain ranges and castles. Its weather may be a bit dreary, but it keeps the land brilliantly green. Finally, the people keep their traditions and celebrate them accordingly. Therefore, Scotland has beautiful landscapes, considerably temperamental weather, and a traditional population. Thank you.